Welcome to Mindzita. Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to create free email in GoDaddy. Let's begin. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, scroll down to the web hosting section. Here, you'll see the hosting plan you purchased. Click on Manage. Click on cPanel Admin. Go to Email Accounts. Look under the Email section. Click Create. Fill in the details. Choose the domain. Enter your username. Then, create a secure password. Click Create. Now your email is ready. Now go to Email Account. Select the email and click on Check Email. Choose Round Cube. Send a test email to check if the email is working properly, and that's it. Email is now successfully created in your cPanel. If you run into any issues to create email in GoDaddy, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.